In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome's high memory usage. If you've noticed your computer has been running slower than usual, or if Chrome has been consuming more resources than you'd like, you're not alone. Many users experience high memory usage issues with Chrome, and today, I'm here to help you tackle that problem. First up is enabling Chrome's memory saver mode. This handy feature automatically deactivates tabs you haven't used in a while, helping free up memory for your active tasks. To turn it on, start by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. From there, navigate to Settings and then Performance. You'll see the Memory Saver option, so make sure to toggle it on. With this feature activated, you should notice a smoother browsing experience, as inactive tabs will no longer hog resources. Now let's take a look at using Chrome's built-in Task Manager, a tool designed to show you exactly which tabs or extensions are using the most memory. To open it, just press Shift and S together on your keyboard. In the Task Manager window that pops up, click on the Memory Footprint column header to sort processes by memory usage. This makes it easy to identify the biggest memory guzzlers. Once you've spotted a process you don't need, simply select it and click End Process to close it. This should help you save some valuable memory. Next, we'll tackle those unnecessary extensions. They can add an extra memory load to your browser, so disabling or removing ones you don't use can make a big difference. Type Chrome/extensions into your address bar and press Enter. Once you're in the extensions page, browse through the list and find any extensions you no longer need. You can either click Remove or toggle the blue switch to disable them. This small action can significantly lighten Chrome's memory burden. Lastly, an often overlooked step is clearing your browser cache. Over time, old cached files can bloat Chrome's memory usage. Let's clear some space by heading back to the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. When the dialog box appears, set the time range to All Time to ensure you clear as much as possible. Make sure you've checked the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Finally, click Clear Data and you should see an improvement in Chrome's performance. By following these simple steps, you should be well on your way to managing Chrome's memory usage more effectively. Keep these tips in mind whenever you notice Chrome starting to lag or consume too much memory. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.